I'm fat. My butt crack sometimes hangs out. I'll edit out what I can, but you've been warned. What's going on, guys? Back at it again. This is round 2 for me for the Vance and Hines exhaust. I did an unboxing video a while ago. I didn't post it. I'm not going to post it. Had some warranty issues. Vance and Hines was absolutely awesome to deal with. They talked to a guy, sent them some photos. They had a new set out to me right away. So we're going to go ahead and open this up for the Indian Scout Bobber and have a look at what we got. So everything's nicely packaged in there. Got a box. This is all our hanger equipment, fasteners, everything like that. We got a muffler. Got another muffler. I'll open those separately in a second here. And then we got the head pipes. I'll just open these guys up right as they are. So there's the first head pipe and the heat shield. Set those aside. And let me get this guy out of there. And the second pipe. I'll cut this guy off. There we go. So we'll start off with these mufflers. Nicely packaged, got some protectant and bubble wrap in there. Box is empty. There we go. Look at those guys. Very nice. Got the inserts in them. Black. It's pretty darn close to the factory there. So that's going to look pretty good. But again, we'll be taking all this off. Stock exhaust. Stock muffler, stock exhaust. We've got new header pipes, heat shields, the Vance and Hines exhaust. So we're going to go ahead and slam these in. And actually, you know what? I'll show you one more thing here. I'll show you the other box. The other box is just a muffler. I'm not going to bother you with opening that up. So we got exhaust hanger brackets. Instructions, another little heat shield, and we got hose clamps, flange clamps, some zip ties, O2 sensor adapters, washers, all the hardware we need to get this guy on, and obviously the instructions to do it all. So let's go ahead and open these up and start taking this guy apart. Okay, we're going to start by removing the muffler tips here. There's two support brackets, or sorry, two support bolts in the back and the clamps right here. So we'll go ahead, we'll start the 13 mil in the back here. off first and help free that up a bit. Oh, there's one more. One more hiding back here. All right, it's quite a bit of weight to it as well. Bet you're gonna get pretty good weight savings off this too. Just gonna set this guy off to the side. There we go. Another one off. Set this one aside. Muffler's off. All that's left. One bolt here on the hanger. The head bolts. But I also gotta make sure I disconnect the O2 sensors. So we'll get this guy off. Let's do 13. All right. Cool. Okay, let's find those O2 sensors. It says to disconnect two O2 sensors, pull them through, and reassemble them on the new pipes. They are impossible to get out. The clip on the end here, inside of this, right about here, I can't even get it past there. There's two metal objects. Without pulling battery, fuse panel, bracketry, everything, not going to happen. I just undid it, was careful not to twist the tires, twist the wires too bad. I switched it here, twisted it here, they came out. They're kind of tucked right here, hanging out. So all that's left now, done front and back, is disconnect the head bolts. They are at 13 mil, so we'll do that now. You'll need a combination of a universal and a wrench to do this. Get the first one loose, the crossover. A bit of bluing, let the heat shields on. And there we go. Got the front off. Set these guys aside. Okay, so hardware consists of some flange clamps, swing arm bolt, some O2 sensor plugs, I guess if you're not using O2 sensors, don't know why you wouldn't be, some new crush washers, some adapters for the O2 bungs in the pipe to the miniature O2 sensors, some screws, zap strap, and then some heat shield clamps. So we're going to install these onto the head pipes. Now this guy is going to be on the lower pipe like this, so I'm going to install these so they go on like this, so the head will be from the bottom, then you don't see it when you're looking down. Hopefully this works and I'm not screwing myself, but we'll go ahead and install these and see where this takes us. sure you use little anti-seize according to the directions. So we're going to remove this stock exhaust hanger bracket. There's a 24 mil socket, or 24 mil nut bolt here, and then these two little Allen key guys. There we go. This guy comes off, and this guy goes on. And he's going to reuse stock hardware. And use the provided castle nut that came with the kit. It's going to go in here. Probably put that washer on. Okay, start putting the pipes in. Instructions say start with the front pipe first. Maybe. And then put on with the stock hardware, and then we'll do the back pipe. So with the front head pipe just kind of sitting there loose, fit this heat shield on, and now we'll work this one in, making sure we get this guy in as well. So we will go ahead and do that now. With those in place, next I want the mufflers attached, clamps on with these machine screws on the back side. We'll loosen everything up, parallel everything, and then we'll tighten down from there. Okay, got the front head pipe installed with muffler. Next to the upper one, it's got this nice Vance and Hines logo. So we'll go ahead and slip this one on as well. Alright, now that we've got everything installed, I'm going to go ahead, reinstall the front control, just kind of make sure everything's parallel with the ground, tighten all the heat shields, tighten up the head bolts, and then we'll get it on to flashing the tune.